What's going on, y'all? So we got a quick video for y'all today. We introducing the team. Matt and Solomon, they real cool. They've been on with us since Orange County. Y'all gonna get to meet them today. And then we had these guys place an order a couple days ago from LA. They coming all the way out to come pick it up. Hope y'all enjoy it.
Yeah, you got a big bark, but you're not a dog. When we talk about the cash, yeah, you not involved. I'ma hit it one time, then I'm not involved. Look, young nigga Ryan, and I got it all. Yeah, you got a big bark, but you're not a dog. When we talk about the cash, yeah, you not involved. I'ma hit it one time, then I'm not involved. Look, young nigga Ryan, and I got it all.
Deal, man. What's your name, man?
What's going on? It's Matthew with EDG. Feel me?
Yes, sir. What you got going on, man?
Just cutting these panels down 2 feet by 4 feet.
Two
This
feet
is the
by-
wood we use for the frames.
Yep. It's a little thicker, huh? This I think this for like a cloud or something.
This is the thicker wood we use right here.
Sir. My dad, he was saying y'all wanted the all gray.
Yeah.
So we had enough to build 5 of them. So it's one extra. If y'all want to, we could do we could do 2 like these right here. The 2 black, the little small ones. I think these 20 by 4. Or if you want to just do one of these, you know what I'm saying? This is an extra 10 for this one, but if you want to just take this one, you can. Just take this one?
Yeah.
All right, yeah, I got you. Yeah. And then we got some other ones in the van out there. I can help you. Hey, so y'all got a studio?
Yeah, I'm trying to build one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I got a little room.
What's the name of it?
Nah, like it's like my parents live in the front.
Yeah.
And I got a little room
Oh,
in
okay,
the back.
little home studio. Yeah, this gonna get you right, man. Yep. I appreciate it, man. Hey, what was it again? Juan.
Yeah.
Victor. Hey, nice to meet y'all, man. Appreciate it.
Hey, hit him up. He got the deals, man.
Yeah, man. Y'all,
And they're nice
hey,
too.
plug y'all music. Y'all want to plug the music?
Oh, it's
in?
hell.
I don't got nothing. I mean, I just show you my Instagram.
Yeah. Show them. Put the Instagram on there, man. You know what I'm saying? It's EDG, man.
Yeah, let me show you.
Oh, they're nice.
It's the Instagram right here, v.flow_.
Man, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna be happy with the panels. You know, we do good work. They're gonna love it. They came all the way from LA. What up, Solomon?
That's the deal, y'all. My point is to, when I sand it down, it smooths the edges down. So when we place the fabric, it don't rip. So you know. The smooth edges, sharp edges. So fabric will poke through this, or this gonna poke through the fabric type.
right, y'all. So we got a quick little video for y'all. Y'all met the team. We got Matt. We got Solomon. It's a couple other members y'all ain't meet yet. That's for another video. We got Jacob, and then we got J-Boy. You know, full day of work, cutting panels, pickups, drop-offs, deliveries, man. You know, it's cool. I hope y'all enjoy it. So it's EDG. Subscribe.